Hello, my name is Vivek and I am one of the directors of Bholanath Precision Engineering. This is a product which we have displayed in the exhibition for load carrying capacity. This is a Z slide. So we are showing here how much weight this slide can carry. So this guy is almost 70 kgs of weight. Now this set slide can is easily carrying his load. So this is happening because of this stepper motor, where people have a very common notion that a stepper motor cannot take load. So here we are showing how stepper motor can easily lift a person with some ball screw arrangement, which is called a Z slide.